Well, January is National Mentoring Month, and today here at WPBF, we are launching our 9th annual Mentoring Month campaign.
Every Monday in January, we're going to bring you stories of successful mentoring matches in our area. Felicia Rodriguez has our first mentoring moment, which features 2 matches that are truly a family affair.
You are very special to me. You make me feel good about myself. You are my best friend.
I think you're so smart. I want to be like you when I grow up.
Words of admiration that Luke and Ayla recently wrote to their mentors.
I was in New England at the time, and it really touched my heart. It just made such a difference and made me long for home, even though I was with my own children.
Luke joined the Mentoring for Kids program 2 years ago after his father died.
My son is missing his father. I felt like he needed a male role model.
Retired and relocated, Alan and his wife Sandy were going through adjustments of their own.
It was very hard leaving Rhode Island, leaving everything that we knew, family, our own children.
With each in search of a way to fill the empty spaces, Alan decided to become a mentor.
Look for one too.
That's it. And this was just a perfect fit because, number one, I love children, always did. I wouldn't have taught for 38 years. And Luke is very, very special. He's a very special boy. He and I have become better than friends. Did I say all the things you told me to say too? All right.
Soon, Luke's sister Ayla wanted to get in the game.
She was having so much fun and I wanted to have a mentor too.
She and Sandy were a natural match right from the start.
This was the first time we actually went out alone.
And we watched Beverly Hills Chihuahua.
Exactly. She's like family to me. And I enjoy doing things that she wouldn't normally do. I also enjoy giving Mom a break.
Oh, this was when we did the strawberry picking.
We appreciate them and love them so much, and we're so happy that they're in our lives.
Stay afloat. Kick.
I'm so glad you care about me. I can't wait until the next time we meet. Thank you for everything.
I'm so glad I have you in my life. I love you, Sandy. Love Ayla.
Mentoring brought these 2 families together, and both say they've benefited more than they ever could have imagined. If you'd like to help a child by becoming a mentor, just call the Mentor Center at 1-877-BE-A-FRIEND. They can match you with a program in your area and a child who is waiting to meet you. Then tune into WPBF 25 News first at 4 each Monday in January for more mentoring moments. Felicia Rodriguez, WPBF 25 News.